Hello students, welcome to class 4 chapter 20 revision food for the fun. Manpreet opened the door, then he saw that Divya and Swastik came to their home and he welcomed them, and Swastik asked that Surjit also that where is your parents. Then they said that they went to Gurudwara. Then Surjit is also telling Divya, let us go to the Gurudwara and let us see the system over there. Then Divya explained that hostel life is also a fun, and even if we don't always like the food, we enjoy eating together with the children. Then there is a question for us, dear students, that if you are studying in a boarding school, if you do not try to talk with someone who goes to a boarding school and find out in what ways the boarding school is different from the other school and what kind of food do they get there. Where do the children sit and eat in the boarding school? Who cooks food for the children in the boarding school and who is serving the food? There are many questions. I already given answer regarding based on that. At Gurudwara, the children chatted all the way and they reached to the Gurudwara and covered their head. Then they went into the kitchen of the Gurudwara and lot of activity was going there. Food was being cooked with a vessel and one side chana and urad dal was boiling. In the other vessel, the cauliflower and potato vegetable was being made and Surjit's father was preparing. Manjit Singh asked the children to explain the kitchen, and he said that he is preparing kada prasad and it is taking lot of effort to roast flour in the ghee and in big kadai. This is the kind of halwa when we add sugar into it. They saw Manpreet's mother and rushed to meet her, and Divya asked, what are you doing? Then she said that she is baking the chapatis into the tandoor, and so many chapatis at once go. Divya was surprised and then she was explaining to help. Divya washed her hand and joined the group near the tawa, and tawa was very hot. She started applying ghee on the chapati as they were being taken out of the tawa. Swastik wondered and exclaimed that who is bringing this all material for the food. Then it was explained to you that everyone here is contributing by the one way or the other way. Some give material, some give money and help in the work. So Swastik said that this is said to the Manpreet that he is enjoying the work over here. We hardly realized how all this food item, chapati, rice, halwa, dal, vegetable got prepared so fast. After Ardas, Kada Prasad was distributed, some of the boys quickly laid out duris, means mat, and veranda, and people sat down to have the langar. Some people served food and others served water. Everyone ate together. After finishing food, everyone picked up one's own plate and put into a big drum. People who were serving ate at the end. They cleaned the place and washed the utensil. And have you ever seen this kind of arrangements? Swastik said to Manpreet. Cooking and eating together in Gurudwara is called langar. This was explained. And there are so many people serving the food over there. Then in many occasions we are joining together in a group marriages when somebody is dying, behind them ritual ceremonies are there. In birthday parties, in engagement functions, some ceremonies. And there are so many persons, those who are serving and cooking the food for us. Some giving ready-made service to us, and sometimes we the family members are also preparing together this food. So having food together is fun. So dear students, we have to develop the habit of the having food together when we all family members are get together. We will talk more about it. regarding this point. Till then, I remain. Thank you.